Hey everybody, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 34 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page asking you to ask him questions. And you could also comment on crew and stuff like that. We take the cool questions, the weird questions, the rumors, and we kind of post them here so we can actually quash the rumors and give you some really good information. So in today's episode, we're talking about Costa ships with a whale tail? Huh? Sea trials, LNG-powered ships, the Dream Theater, and VPNs. All right, question one. Will the Costa ships that are now branded as Carnival get a whale tail? That'd be pretty cool. But the answer is no. There's no plans to do this. The Costa ships are Costa ships, even though they are now branded Carnival. So it's kind of a hybrid between both. So it is kind of weird. We were in port and we saw the, not the Firenze, the Venezia. And it's Carnival everything, and it had that little non-Carnival fin. I'm like, that's weird. So, and long and short of it, no, they're not going to retrofit them with the whale tails. This was actually an interesting one. Since they're releasing so many new ships, they asked when the ships go out for sea trials, who is the captain? Is it the captain that's going to captain that vessel, or is it the shipyard that builds it? Answer, shipyard. The Carnival captain that will be captaining that ship is on boat observing. However, the people that actually man the boat are the shipbuilder and the crews from the shipbuilding company that are on boat. Captain oversees everything, but not run by the captain, but at least he knows what he's doing when he takes over that boat. LNG. So almost, actually all their new ships, besides the retrofits, are on LNG, or liquid natural gas. They're asking, do you get better fuel economy, and how many cubic feet is used on, let's just say, a 7-day cruise? And do they still use fuel oils on the ships? John's answer, definitely more economical. So I think that's why all the ships going forward are going to be LNG. It's very economical. He did not have the consumption numbers for this person, nor did he have the fuel oil question for them. But he did say they're loving it due to the economicalness. It's more economical. Man, I'm having trouble with this word. More economical. There it is. Ta-da! And it's super, super better for the environment. And that's one of the things they're most excited about. We've all been on ships or been on ports if you were a cruiser, and you see that black smoke billowing out. I'm like, oh my God. LNG, you see nothing. So environmentally, hey, I got that one right. It is much better, and they're loving it. I love it as well. This is an interesting and quick one. How many people does the Dream Theater hold? Guesses? No? Nope, that one's not right. Nope. 950, you said 950. You're right. It actually holds 950 plus people in the Dream Theater. So of your ship, almost 1,000 guests are in that Dream Theater at the same time. I did not think it held that many. Last one. Sometimes you gotta work on a cruise. And this person has read about VPN issues, no access to VPN, so on and so forth. And they're wondering, what internet package do you need? We have a video on that. It will also tell you Starlink does not support VPN. So if your company requires you to be on a VPN, there is no internet package for you until Starlink decides to support VPNs. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care of yourselves.